The Worx Hydroshot is a portable pressure washer that claims you can take it anywhere. Question is, does it work well? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Hafiz here and welcome to my channel. I bring you product reviews on gadgets and tech that are found in homes as well as the ones you carry with you. My passion is to create quality content that helps you understand the products better so that you can decide for yourself if they're right for you. So stick around, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing. But hey, in this video, we'll be reviewing the Worx Hydroshot. Okay, so first things first, objectives. We have two objectives. One is to find out if 15 to 20 minutes is indeed too short, and two, if the Hydroshot is effective in cleaning, and in this case, washing a car. I just want to quickly mention that if you haven't seen my previous video, I recommend you checking that out first because it gives you a general idea of what the Hydroshot can do and what you get in the box. Not forgetting, all the links to everything I mentioned in this video will be in the description box down below.
So I got what I deserved, you know it. I wanted it to hurt, so wrong of me to cross that line. If I could, I would push rewind. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag. Waving the white flag.
Let's revisit the first objective of this review. Is the battery life of 15 to 20 minutes too short? No. In fact, I was very generous with the initial rinse. I used the soap dispenser to coat the entire car. I managed to clean all 4 rims. Note that the car, which is a BMW 2 Series Grand Tourer, is a pretty big car. I was generous again for the second rinse, and I'm happy to say that even after using all the water in the container, which is roughly about 25 liters, the battery indicator still showed that I had 1 bar left. That to me is impressive. Moving on to the next part. So, is it effective in cleaning? Absolutely. The pressure was sufficient in removing bird droppings and dirt from the rims. It might take a few swipes, but it does get the job done. Now we need to remember that the Hydroshot is a portable pressure washer, and comparing it with a regular pressure washer is just unfair. You need to kind of lower down your expectations accordingly. Having said that, I have tried portable pressure washers from other brands that my friends have, and none came close to the pressure and versatility that the Hydroshot offers. In the end, it did also make me realize that I am using a lot less water to wash my car. Give me a thumbs up if you like saving water. Now, what do I like about the Hydroshot? I love that the Hydroshot can be easily taken apart and be carried around anywhere. I also like the fact that the pressure is pretty strong for something so portable, and as far as I'm concerned, it does a pretty good job in cleaning. I like that it's versatile because of the different configurations you can come up with, depending on what you want to use it for. And especially love the soap dispenser unit. Dislikes. The brush accessory is a little weird to use. The bristles are pretty rough, so I'm kind of afraid to scrub the car with it. Then I thought I could use it for the rims, but the angle is a little weird. I have this fear that the battery will somehow get wet and it'll get damaged. The charger that comes in the box isn't a quick charger, so it will take a couple of hours to get it back to full charge. Okay, so conclusion time. The question of, should you get it? Well, I guess it depends on what you intend to use it for. I can't speak for all, but I'll share with you how I use mine. First thing is what I just showed you, washing my car, because I have no access to direct water and electricity where my car is, so a portable solution is the only way to go. Secondly, I do a lot of mountain biking, so being able to wash my bike after a muddy ride is important to me. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. Links to where you can purchase the Worx Hydroshot are in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed the content. And if you find it useful, please press that like button. It does help the channel a lot. I aim to release at least one video every week, so please subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.